Clearly, I ain't got time for the extra shit. It's how I'm feeling right now. Man, how you gonna come at me talking about if I got another girlfriend? I need to tell you now, man, fuck this shit. I ain't got time for the extra shit. Go waste somebody else's time and stop wasting mine. And then you're gonna ask me for your Facebook page so you can holler at another nigga. Well shit, bet that up, do your thing when I get your Facebook back anyway. Cause while you was starting drama, I was talking to Tamika. So I'm not crazy at all. After what I went through last night, I almost went to jail behind you, girl. And I'd be damn if I get a 9 to 5 over a female. So move around and move on with your life, cause you said it was over, so I bounced to the left. So clearly you never wanted me, and you just wanted to use me for my money and for my dick. So why is you calling me? Why is you stalking me? Man, lose my number before I press charges for stalking me for real. I found somebody else. 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 Man, matter of fact, I'm talking to Tamika right about now. So what you gonna do? Not a damn thing other than the fact to try to knock me down with the front. But I'ma shut that shit down before that even happens. Cause you really got me cracking up laughing. And you calling me trying to make love? Girl, fuck phone sex. I want the real deal and not marry and a full sister. And then you telling me you sorry? Psh, please, you apologize to me 3 times. I'm not accepting your apologies no more. You know what to say. 3 strikes and you're out, so you did 3 strikes, so now you're out. Shit, you messed that up for yourself. Now you're looking for some help, but don't look at me to help you because I'm not Superman and I'm not finna save a motherfucking thing because I'm not your superhero. And I definitely don't have no kryptonite, so stop wasting your time and trying to get me to help you because I'm not no superhero. I found somebody else. 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 And then you gonna hit me with that, oh, you'll need me, you'll be back and you'll want me back. Girl, please, I found somebody else. I don't need you. Man, matter of fact, I got my own problems of my own to deal with before your problems get involved with mine. You heard me? Feel the real rhythm in your system because my blood is flowing in my veins like venom. Then at the same time, I got the drink up in my cup. Man, hold up. Girl, I'm sipping on my liquor, flying to the sky and chilling on cloud 9, girl. Girl, I'm not worried about you. Look me in my face. I ain't got no worries. I ain't got no worries. So you know what that means. What part of I don't want you do you not understand? Then you just say that it was over. Man, I'm pulling up in my Range Rover. Your game is over, girl. Girl, I really don't want you. So stop calling me and stop stalking me for real. I found somebody else. 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 I found somebody else.